So it's 11/16/24, and
Drop the hood.
yeah, and we're about to start the Civic that's been sitting for
Can you unclip the
3 weeks, and the higher, and the clutch just came in, and hopefully the car would drive.
Ready? Oh, out the way.
That looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Let's see if Chris will drive. Huh? So that's good, right? All right, just try the car out. If it works, it works. Uh-huh.
The wheel, the last wheel, not.
Everything's good. Just roll down your window so you can hear me talk. Hopefully this car rolls. Oh my God, it works. Oh, back up, back up, back up. Okay, stop. I gotta bring the lift up though, okay, Jason? Watch out for your hands.
Wait, I kicked off the lid.
I know, but I gotta go up a little bit before I can push it in. Can you press the yellow button down? Oh, one more.
Down?
You guys didn't put the legs away.
Hold on, Chris.
Okay, that looks good. Let me go to the other side. A little snag on the maiden voyage. A little bit up. Okay, go down. What's that noise? Oh, well, there might be some little piece of wood, but we're clear. Yeah.
Get out the way, Chris.
Go, Chris, go.
Still gotta find that lug nut, though.
Oh my God, the car works. And the brakes work.
What? Did it damage anything?
No.
No, what you guys did was you guys forgot to bring the legs in.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah. I thought I must have gave you that task and then I must have jumped you to another task. All right, all set.
You just kicked it far enough, that's all.
Yeah. Well, I'm only sure did we damage anything?
No, we're good.
No. So when did we move the car to?
But do you want to just come by tomorrow to get the van now?
Up to you, whatever you want.
I'll swing by tomorrow. We just take the van then.
Okay, that's it.
Do we need to get the car seats out?
No.
You sure?
Oh, we'll get the car seats tomorrow then. Because right now, I have to find something to cover it.
How about you just drive to my house? We'll put in the garage then.
It's okay. Just come here tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, we're all set. Cool. And then once you drive out, I think, Chris, you can just park the Civic where Jason's car is. And then it's 8 o'clock, you gotta go home, Chris.
Yep.
So you can take off, Jace.
Okay. Good to meet you, Ian.
Good to meet you. Yeah.
See ya.
Later.
Good night. All right, so I'll be here tomorrow then?
Yeah.
All right.